Hey guys, so today I will be sharing with you 3 drinks that can help you regrow your hair, that can both boost your hair growth and at the same time your collagen production. So let's get started. Alright, so the first recipe is my collagen milk shake. Alright, so of course you'll need coconut meat. Now the coconut meat is rich in iron, manganese, copper, and magnesium, which are all great for hair growth. And then of course I'm adding in my favorite marine collagen. And this also promotes youthful skin and healthier hair. It also improves liver, joints, and bone health. And I think you guys have seen me use this last time. I actually like how this has a neutral taste, so it doesn't taste fishy at all like other collagen supplements. So it just complements this drink. And then to this, I will add in milk and then coconut water. Now, coconut water provides a delicious source of natural electrolytes, which is a great addition to this drink. So I will put all of the ingredients in a blender. And then I will just add in wash sugar in there to sweeten this a bit. And then just simply blend it. And now this is what it looks like. Now coconut shake is actually one of the famous drinks here that we have in my country. And for me, I like making one at home, but with these extra added ingredients. Now this is a must try, and this is very filling and refreshing to drink. I honestly could just drink this all day. Alright, so the next one is what I call my blue butterfly iced tea. The ingredients that I'm using here is a blue ternit flower. Now this flower can help improve and promote your hair growth because it is rich in bioflavonoids, and it also helps reduce graying of hair. And not only that, this has skin benefits as well because this flower contains antioxidants that stimulates collagen and elastin synthesis, which helps rejuvenate the skin and lessen wrinkles. And then to this, I will add in my organic blue spirulina superfood. Now this contains powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help you grow healthy hair, also promote healthy skin. Plus, it also helps with memory and gut health. So in a glass, I just added in some ice in there and then poured in the blue ternit tea. And then I also added in some blue spirulina and just mix it in. And this is what it looks like. It actually kind of turned dark violet from afar, but up close, it's really blue. Now, I don't really add any sugar to this at all. I just like taking it in as is. But sometimes if I want to add more flavor to it, I just squeeze in some lemon juice in there to make a blue lemonade out from it. But I like to drink it as simple as that most of the time. Alright, so the last recipe is what I call my collagen oatmeal shake. So for this, of course, you'll need an instant oatmeal. And in there, I will just add in hot water and of course milk. And then to this, I will add in my plant-based collagen booster. Now this one contains rose, acerola cherry, biotin, hyaluronic acid, tremella mushroom, rice peptides, coconut, and monk fruit, which are all great for hair growth and also boosting your collagen. So in there, I will just add in 1 tablespoon of it. And then also I will add in my favorite beauty balm powder. Now this one contains maca, blueberry powder, and collagen. Now actually I featured this last time in my what I eat in a day video. And not only do I like adding it in my water, but also in my smoothies or shakes as well, such as this. So that is it. I will just mix everything in and then just add in some sugar, put it in a blender, and just liquefy it. So this is what it looks like right now. Now I know mine has a thicker consistency, but y'all can add in more milk if you want this to be more liquidy, if that's even a word. Now this is actually one of those drinks that I took in when I couldn't eat due to a dry socket after my tooth got extracted, and this is one of those drinks that sustained me till my dry socket healed. And I just love how this drink is not only good for the hair and skin, but also for my digestion. By the way, if you all are interested in trying out these collagen supplements and superfood from the Reserve, you guys can use this link right here in the description box. Just click it, and when you check out, there will be an automatic 50% off your order. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video. These are the exact same drinks that actually I have been taking when my tooth got extracted, just because I was not able to eat anything, so that really saved me a lot. And also I find that these drinks helps me right now regrow my hair, and I think that when it comes to hair growth, we cannot just focus on the external things that we're using on our hair, but also in the internal, meaning on the things that we actually take in. And also, by the way, you guys, not only is this drink really good for the hair, but it's also good for your skin as well. So that is it. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and please do share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!